we're just gonna jump into this before I lose my groove. He threw off his groove. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this kind of thing on like Thursdays and Sundays, like when I can, or when life can, when life allows me, when I'm allowed to be a life. We do a little bit of everything here. We test out some makeup, we try out other hair products, I show you how I do my nails, which I need to because they've grown out quite a bit. Oh, and we open things like we're gonna do today. I got a box. Oh gosh, she's so big I have to back up out of frame to get her. She's out of frame, but this is my FabFitFun box. She's absolutely beautiful. She is a seasonal box, BT dubs. I'll leave more down in the description below. She's seasonal. I think it's like 50 some a quarter or 200 and something a year. I do the year. It's just easier for me to like one and done it and then remind myself once a year to come back and pay it. But I'll leave more, like I said, down in the description below, or you can go check out their website. I think I have a link for it. If I do, it'll be below, or just go to their website, FabFitFun. They're awesome. I really like, when I say most of the products I get, once or twice a year, there's like just a blah selection, like one or two good things, but then for the rest. And because I am a seasonal, or no, a yearly, annual, what do you call it? Annual. So because I'm an annual member, I do get to choose all of my products. Once upon a time, I think it was like you got to choose like 2 or 3, and now it's just all of them. So I chose all these things, and we're gonna open it together and see what I got. She's gonna take over the whole screen, but honestly, I'm not mad. I'm really in love with these colors right now. Let's open her up. Where's my handy dandy little cloak knife? Cloak knife. And we have one little doodle. That's it? Okay. I think that's it. If I can open her before she tips all the way over. Here she is. Oh, it's cute. It has little sprinkles on the inside. It says FabFitFun. Box is made out of 100% recycled craft papers. And don't hit me in the face. This is what we look like on the inside. This is paper for I don't know what, honestly. And then here's a whole bunch of little sample doodles we have that always come with the box. And jumbled up in this lovely mess, we have, sample for box with 15% off your first box. Use that code because I'm not going to. What is this? Something wine doodles. Then we have Daily Harvest. Ooh, that sounds kind of good. Not even gonna lie, but it says get $40 off your first box. So how expensive is my first box gonna be if we're taking $40 off? Because 40 is a lot, unless you like me a lot. Pricey. And this liquid IV stuff, which I don't care for, but it's in here. You get a little sample, I guess. Guava. Is there new flavor? Are you guava? Yeah, guava. Cute. And then we have, I see you down there, these cute little stickers. FabFitFun stickers. They've been sending every, I want to say month. Every time I want to say month. Every box they've been sending, which is cute. And then we have this, our FabFitFun magazine. And it has summer stuff. Your hobby you should try based on your zodiac. Women making moves. Summer is here. Summer 2022 FabFitFun. Make today great. I'm working on it. Editors know what you get in the box. Add-ons. Oh, so I was totally gonna do this one here, like the little, what are you, Foxy Bay hairstyling thing, because I was like, oh my god, I want to try one. You had to pay extra to get that as a selection, not just like I could pick that. I had to pay extra on top of picking that. So it was like, no, I already pay a lot of dollars. So we'll just have to go through, see what I got. I got skincare, fun in the sun, elevate your routine. Oh, I am. Taste the tropics. Maybe we can go taste the tropics. I have some errands to run today. Women making waves. Of course. Founder of Bespoke, Allure Realty, founder of All Voices. Dang, we have a lot. There's pages on pages in here. Just, oh, and how to do core stuff with that little wheelie ball that sits in the workout room that I don't use. Yes. Zodiac sign, Taurus. No, tell me what my ideal, what was it, hobby based off of my, is it picnicking? Oh, the hobby I should try is picnicking. Okay, like use my culinary skills. So you're not gonna get much, some like rice balls or something, which sounds so tasty right now. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's go through the box. Let's do this. And I want to put it down so the room. I want to start with this because you are the biggest box out of the whole thing. It is from Material. Stacking canister set of 2 with lids. I want to open you and see you. Show me what's inside. Let's open this and see what. Oh, it's these cute little doodles. They're just little jars with lids. Containers with lids, glass containers. And I was like, oh my god, that'd be so cute to put like my teas in. And then I realized my tea has to like not have contact with the sun. So we're gonna find another use for these, but these are definitely gonna get used. Yay! Next, ooh, it's a KO body scrubber. 1 body scrubber. Oh no. This is what was in the box. I have like some of these little pad doodles. They're for cleaning my makeup brushes though. So I wonder how this is gonna work with like my body. Did they like... We will not see. I will see how this works. This is pretty cool. Hi, hello. Body scrubber. Oh. And you're, oh, just like a little pack thingy for the package. Okay, let's see what the French toast else we have. What else? Ooh, sea salt and citrus, lasting smiles, shining light on cause that matter. So it's an aromatherapy candle. All the way at the bottom, I have to read everything and then candle. Fragrance notes, grapefruit, sea salt, green. Green is a fragrance note now. Ozonic, accord, and coconut, sandalwood, gardenia, jasmine, rose, driftwood, vanilla. Oh god, I don't like vanilla. Learn more about the diverse causes we support. Soy blend candle. Eco-friendly burn, cotton wick. I want to smell you. I love sea oceany things, so I'm wondering. Can't really smell it out here, so it's not very fragrant, but let's take a look, shall we? Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. The label's kind of peeling off there a little bit. That's okay though. I mean, if I can pick them off and peel them off, I do, and I'll like stick them on the bottom. Unless it has what it is on the bottom, then I just leave it, but like 1 minute it smells like fruity and then florally and then musky. But okay, go back in the box. Go back in your box. Candle. So we got jars, grubby candle. Murumuru. All I saw was Rue at the bottom. Rue. It's Murumuru leave-in conditioner. from Ecos. I like this like eco-y feeling packaging we have going on here. It's pretty nice. Can you open? I just want to take a look and see. Huh, okay. Are you open or is that how you look? It's pretty though. I like it. It's different, but 95% natural. Murumuru butter. Murumuru? We are vegan. We use fair trade, biodiversity ingredients from the Amazon. Wow. Before use, unscrew cap, remove the protective seal from the tube. That's smart. Duh. Apply all the way to the ends of your dry or damp hair, avoiding the roots. Do not rinse, leave it in. Keep out of reach of children. Creams, leave in cream. Cool. Nice. I like that. I kind of want to smell it, but it says that there's a seal on it. So how... Oh, I can smell it through there. It's very, like, soft. Like, earthy soft. Earthy, soft, pretty. This is just my limited vocabulary, but that's what that smells like. Yes. Ooh, what's next? Let me go to these guys. So I got these because I kind of want to try them. They're shampoo and conditioner. And as you may or may not know from watching any of my videos, I find a way to sneak in there that I don't use conditioner. No, I don't. I shampoo my hair like every couple days, and then I use leave-in conditioner, which I'm big on. But these seem like the best option at the time. So we'll see how these go. So this one, also something I picked out. I've kind of like fallen in love with the scent of this brand. I really like it. It's AHAVA Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer for combination skin. It's just a lotion, but it feels pretty nice. Smells amazing. All of the ones that I've had and used smell amazing. And yeah. And this last part confuses me because I don't know if I got the same thing twice. So these are the two items that are left in my box, but it's the same thing. So the TULA Skincare Protecting Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum SPF 30 UVA plus UVB Protection. I like this brand. They've been pretty nice. But I'm confused because I thought I picked the face cleanser that I got. Hold on. So we're gonna have to backtrack and figure out what I did. So for my first selection, these guys, I'm gonna put them all back in the box because that's everything. I'm gonna keep track. Selection number 2 was, let me unstack everything. These guys. Ugh. Selection number 3 was one of these. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's one of these. Number 4, candle. I think it's candle. Number 5 was this little cutie. And number 6 was this guy. So hold up. Did I get extra stuff? Or are you samples? I'm a little confused. I'm very confused. I guess I just got 2 of these. And I know I saw this one somewhere. Acne patches. No. 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 That's so weird. So, are these samples? Because they're extras. I honest to God thought I picked this one because I remember seeing this. It's not on my thing selection now. And then this just has to be a duplicate of that one, like an extra, I guess. Cool. Thank you, FabFitFun. Oh my gosh, I was so confused there. I had no idea what was going on. All right, that is everything for my FabFitFun for summer 2022. Yay! Other than that confusion, I like most of the stuff I got. Will I be using everything in my box? Yeah, I'll see why not. Honestly, I'll try to. I don't think there's anything that I'm absolutely not. The only thing that's iffy is the shampoo and conditioner. But what was that? Option number 1? Yeah. So I could have gotten like a tray, some night cream, a bag, shampoo, conditioner, another blanket. Oh, I know what I did. So for option number 1, I really wanted the little hair wrappy tool. And it said I had to pay $10 extra to get it. And now looking back, I swear it's right here. Let me show you. It says right there, plus 10. I was like, no. I already paid hundreds of dollars for you to give me stuff. Why are you going to charge me more? So I did not. Oh well, life happens. I really don't do anything to my hair anyway as far as like heating styling tools, so I'm just, as you can tell, I do like other stuff, but I don't do heating, styling, drying tools. A towel is like as much as we do. I got some rubber bands too. That's about it, and we're good to go. Yeah, that was everything for my FabFitFun box for summer 2022, and it came so fast. I swear. I don't know if they like reward me because I pick everything immediately as I'm allowed to, and also because I'm like a yearly annual subscriber, or if they're just that fast. Like, does everyone else get the same quickness for shipping with their boxes? I don't know how to say it, but does everyone else get their boxes that quick, or is it just a me thing? I don't know. I enjoyed all of my stuff. I'm going to enjoy all my stuff. We'll see. One way or another, I'll find a use for it, whether it's with myself or as a gift to someone else, and I do that sometimes, so oh well. Thank you for hanging out with me. I will catch you next time. If you like what you saw, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye!